Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 XL. Neat car, guys. Really just a good, honest, straight old car. My buddy Scott out of Tennessee is the one who found this car for me. He said this car has actually been local to him for several years. It's about a 10-year-old body-up restoration. It's finished in raven black. It's had one repaint. It's actually still got the original Parchment interior in it. 289 automatic. Just a nice turn the key, go cruising driver. You see, it's got a set of 15-inch American Racing torque thrust with BFGs all the way around it. Very impressed with the way this thing drove. I mean, turn the key, rolls right down the road. Really just a good car. Good, solid, straight Tennessee body, slick paint. 60, I'll look at when we get inside, I'll show you exactly. It's just over 60,000 original miles on the car. It's a factory C code, 289. You can see a lot of the trim and stuff like that's original. It's just a good, honest, straight old driver, man. If you're looking for a nice car, turn the key, take it right to the car shows. I think you'll have a blast with this car. I mean, even the cold light on the dash still works. I love the scoops on the hood. New front windshield, but I believe the rest of the glass is factory. Nice car. I love this body style. You really don't see a ton of them. That's what I like about them. I'm sure you guys have heard me say that before. I like different stuff. How nice and flat that thing is down the sides. BFGs all the way around it. You know, I'll be honest with you, I'd have liked it if they put a little bit bigger tire on the rear. I like that staggered look. So if a guy wanted to do that, it definitely wouldn't hurt my feelings. I just think they give him that real muscle car stance. All this stuff's original. American Racing torque thrust 2s on it. That's just a little wax there, guys. That is a good looking car there, man. When you finish a car in black, it's got to be straight. Factory C code 289. It does have a Holley 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Pretty much bone stock the way it would have come underneath the hood here. Does have power steering, manual brakes, stock air cleaner and valve covers. I think this is a C4 automatic transmission. Your original VIN is still on your core support. You can see how clean those shock towers are. Those are important. A lot of the cars that I look at in this body style, you can see it's still got your original tag mounted on your intake. But a lot of the cars that I look at like this, the shock towers will be rotted out. Where these are nice and clean. And you can see that paint slick. Beautiful day in Michigan today. I'm going to try to shoot a couple of cars before I head out of town again. New website, fingers crossed, should be launching tonight. So you guys may have to reload. I know a lot of guys have us saved in their favorites. You may have to reload that. Not a ton of changes, more visual. than anything. Original door tag's still in there. Again, I think this is all the original interior. I don't think they've ever changed that. Parchment, it's an off-white color. I think this stuff here is original. I don't think it's ever been changed. Steering wheel's nice. Factory dash, like I say, when you start it up when it's cold, 68,424 on your odometer. When you start it when it's cold, the little cold light still comes on in the dash. AM radio, all this stuff seems to be bone stock in here. Factory bucket seats with the center console. It does have dual exhaust. Stock rear gear, 8-inch with a 280. This just be a fun car to cruise, man. Those are just water spots, guys, if you see those. Factory jack with spares still in here. I believe this car's got all the original body panels. Little Firestone white wall. Jacks in there. Yeah, this would be just a fun car to load up and go cruising. Car's very clean, very original underneath. I just don't think this is a car that's been messed with a whole lot. This is a, just a good, honest, straight car. Look how clean those door seams are. I'll bet you this is the original carpet. Seats are nice. I mean, it's just a nice car. It's a little spread inside. Like I said, I think this stuff's all original. Very comfortable when you sit in it. Gauges are nice and clean. Original center console. Does have seat belts in it. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Again, just a little sweetheart 289, guys. Just runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Car drives nice and tight. I mean, the gaps are really nice on the car. Fuel gauge, that's really it in here. You know, hold on, Nathan. I don't know if I showed the gap. I got showing that. You can see the bottoms of the door seams are nice and clean. I think I started showing you that door tag. Backup lights work. That's just a great car right there, guys. Anything on the radio, Nathan? No. Blower motor does work. It's got the stock AM. Doors open and close, nice. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram, our Facebook page, TikTok. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. I can't stress that enough. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That is just a killer car. Have a great day, guys.